First of all, students, what is position of any object? That point that a duster is here. A duster is here. Okay, so it is the position of the duster. Okay, now to point A and B. To point A and B, a man is standing here. A man is standing here. Okay, what is the position of the man? Sir, point A is the position of the man A. Okay. Sir, chapter term. Yes, beta, I have already discussed, Tanaj. Term 1 chapters I have written just before some time. Okay. And a boy is standing here. A boy is standing here. So what is the position of the boy? Sir, point B is the position of the boy. It is clear. Position means where it is standing, where it is placing. Okay. So in a road, I am denoting 5 points. Okay. And a man is standing just here. Okay. So what is the position of C and position of the man? You can say, sir, position of the man is between C and D. A boy is standing here. What is the position of the B? Sorry, what is the position of the boy? What is the position of the boy? B. Okay. A teacher is standing here. What is the position of the teacher? Okay. Now, students, that boy who is standing at B, he starts walking along this D after 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, he reaches at point D. So you can say, sir, I think that is 13 or 14, chapter 13 or chapter 14. Okay, first of all, Moinak, no need to watch the book now. I hope so. No need to watch the book now. So now that boy has reached that point D after 2 minutes. So what you can say? Sir, the position of boy is changed. Is it? When it moves from B to D, the position is changed. Yes or no? Quickly. That boy moves from B to D. B to D. Position of boy change, yes or no? Yes. Position of change with the changing of time. With the changing of time. Later example. I hope all of you will give your feedback quickly. Okay. Now a boy is standing at here at 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. Okay. Now after 15 minutes, he reaches at point C at 10:15, and 10:30 reaches to point C. So what you can conclude from here? What you can conclude from here, sir? With the changes of time, 15 minutes change already, and also the position is changed. 15 minutes change, and also the position of change. So you can say, sir, the position is changing. The position of the boy is changing with respect to time. With respect to time means time is also changing. Time is also changing, and position of the boy is also changing. Can you conclude it? Yes or no? Quickly give your feedback. So you can say, sir, is in motion. Okay, clear it is. What is motion? So define motion that if any particle or any object changing its place, changing its position with respect to time or with changing of time, you can say that object is in motion. Some motion, the concept is clear, yes or no? Concept understood. Okay, Tana, wait. That is together mode. Grid view. Okay. The position of boy is here. After 15 minutes, he reached at point C. Tanaj. Okay. So what can you say? Sir, time is changed. Time is changed. But also the position is changed. Position is changed means at first the position of boy at B. Now it is, now you can say it is 100 meter. 100 meter. At A, at 10 a.m. the boy is at point A, and at 10:15 at C. So what you can say? Sir, time is changed and also position is changed. Yes or no? Time change and position also change. So what you can say? That the boy is in motion because that time is changed and position is also changed. So what is the definition of motion? If any particle or any object changes or changes its position with the changing of time, so that boy or that object or that particle is in motion. It is clear? Yes or no? Yes, you have to write this copy. Next at the end of the class, I will tell you what have to write in your copy. First of all, that motion concept is clear. Yes or no? Clear? Okay, very good. Next. Okay. At first, at 10 a.m. Okay, look at the word. At 10, that boy is at the point A. Okay. At 10 a.m., what is the position of boy? Also A. At 10:15 a.m., what is the position of boy? That is A. So, look at the word, student. Time is changing from 10 to 10, 10 a.m. to 10:10, and 10 to 10:15. Time changes 10 minutes, again 10 minutes. But position of boy is fixed. Position of boy is fixed with that interval. It means interval means that 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. With that 15 minutes, with that interval, the position of boy is not changed. So what you can say? Sir, that boy is in rest. Clear it is? So in the time interval, in that 10 a.m. to 10:15, in this interval, the boy has not changed his position. The boy has not changed his position. So it indicates that in this interval, the boy is in rest. It is clear that rest, the definition of rest or concept of rest is clear. Yes or no? Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Just only say time is changing but position is not changing. Time is changing but position is not changing. Clear it is? Clear it is? If any particles or any object position do not change its position, in any object or any particle do not change its position with the time, with changing of time, then you can say that object is in rest with that time interval. Okay? Rest means time change but position, yes, but not position. Very good, Sanchita, well done. that Sanchita have written that all in short what is that basic things. Sir, physics 2-line copy, 1-line copy. Just one page is line and another page is white page. That copy you can use. Okay, Sneha. Clear? Rest is clear. So what you can say, sir? If any particle or any object do not change its position, then you can say that particle or object is in rest. Now I will give you two object. So you have to answer. I will check who got the concept of motion means time changes, position changes. Very good. Time changes and position also changes. Diptak, time and position both are changing in motion, and in rest only time, position is not changing. So I will give you the object. You have to say that is in motion or rest. Okay, get ready for the question, and all of you have to mention the particle name, then hyphen rest or motion, okay, fast. And those who are not writing, just sir moving rest, I will not accept their answer. With the name of the particle, first write the name, then hyphen, then motion in rest. Fast. Quickly answer in the chat box. First 5 students, I will want to see who will be the first 5 students. First, our earth. Second is your house. Sanchita, answer in one comment. Answer in one comment. Diptak also. No, I will not take your answer. That Sanchita, Diptak, Tanaj. Only one answer I will not take. In one answer, in one chat, two will mention there. Very good. Okay. So I get the first name. Our earth motion, our house rest. Very good. Abhinandita, very good. Motion. Mainak, I will not take your answer. Anjali, I will not take your answer. Yes, Tanaj, our earth motion, your house rest. Okay, our earth motion, your house rest. Very good. Sneha, well done. Nilanjan, motion, our house rest. Very good. Our earth motion. Okay. Who are the first 5 students? Okay, let me check. Sanchita Malakar, first. Well done. Abhinandita, well done. Tanaj, well done. Kinjal, well done. And Sneha. These are the 5 students who answer first. Well done to these 5, as well as all of you who have given right answer according to my statement. Okay, so I hope your concept is clear. In your copy, students, in your first page, just write down the heading, then define. Number 1, define motion, then example means you can say that moving train. Okay, next question, define rest with example. Okay, you can say that our house is the position is in rest. Next and at last, the 5 object, make a table that is stationary object and moving object. List 5 things around your environment, around you, which object are stationary object. Stationary object means which are in motion, sorry, which are in rest, and moving object which are in motion. So list these five particles in your copy should be there. Everyone make your, after the end of the class that day, you will make your copy. From that copy I will give you every questions. Okay, clear this, that 5 object you have to make a list, and next day when I start the class, that time I will ask who have done the homework, and I want to check, I want to ask to all of you to send that page in your chat box, that time, not before. Okay, so I hope, okay, yes, this video I will upload it.